hamburger menu, select Payments and Transfers, then Transfer Center. The Transfer Center is where you will do internal money movement known as book transfers. Under the first tab, Transfers, a user can initiate a transfer by clicking on the plus symbol next to the words Initiate Transfer. Select the From account by using the drop-down arrow. Choose the To account by using the drop-down arrow. Pick the transfer date by clicking on the calendar icon. The date defaults to the current business day. Enter the dollar amount in the box. The memo field is optional. The radio button next to Add Recurring Instructions allows you to establish a recurring transfer. You can add more than one transfer at a time by clicking the Additional Transfer button. By clicking the plus or minus button, you can set the number of additional transfers you would like to add. Once complete, click Submit. All transfers will appear below in the Transfers section. Just like balance and transaction reporting, you can filter, add, remove columns, sort, print, or export the data. If you would like to save a custom view, this can be done by clicking Save As and entering a unique name. Details of a transfer can be viewed by hovering over the three dots under Actions and clicking View. In this same fashion, you can modify or delete a scheduled transfer. The next tab, Recurring Instructions, allows you to set up a recurring transfer. Click on the plus symbol next to the words Create Recurring Instruction. Enter a name, select the From account, choose the To account, enter an amount, choose the start date by clicking on the calendar icon. Under Repeat, you will select the frequency, weekly, monthly, or semi-monthly. If weekly, you will need to select every X weeks as well as the day of the week. This holds true for monthly and semi-monthly. Daily can be achieved by choosing weekly and then selecting every day of the week. Ends is where you set the end date for the recurring transfer, or you can select Never. Once complete, click Create. The next tab is Transfer Templates. This is where you can create a template for a transfer for future use. Select the plus symbol next to the words Create New Template. Enter a template name, select the From account and choose the To account. The amount and memo field are optional. Click on Submit in order to create the template. Available templates list below. Under Actions, you have the ability to view, modify, delete, or initiate the template. Just like other data, you have the ability to filter, choose columns, sort, print, or export the templates. The last tab is the Import Manager. This allows you to import a file of transfers. In order to import a file, first you must set up an import map. Click on the gear icon next to the words Add, Manage, Import Maps. On the next screen, click on the plus symbol next to the words Create an Import Map. Enter a map name, select the delimiter for the file, then indicate the position of each of the required fields. Click Save. After creating a file map, you are able to import a transfer file. Select the plus sign next to the words Import Transfer. From the drop-down under Import Map, select the map. Either drag the file to the window or click Select File to browse out to your computer. Once the file is selected, click Continue to upload the file. The transfer file will show in the list and the status of the file will display. Under Actions, you will be able to view the details of the file. Just like other data, you have the ability to filter, choose columns, sort, print, or export the list.